I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've accidentally deleted comments on TikTok and want to recover them, follow these steps to see if you can retrieve them. Step 1. Open TikTok. Launch the TikTok app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where the comments were deleted. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your TikTok profile where you can access your videos and settings. Step 3. Check your videos. Scroll through your videos to find the one that had the deleted comments. Tap on the video to open it and view the comments section. Step 4. Look for comment history. In the comments section, check if there is an option for comment history or similar. Some users have reported seeing a history of comments, but this feature may not be available for everyone. Step 5. Contact TikTok support. Before starting recovery, use the ASRock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, recovering deleted comments isn't always guaranteed, but it's worth trying these steps. Good luck, and I hope you get your comments back.